My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles life insurance beneficiary disputes and denials. You're the beneficiary of a life insurance policy. The insured passes away, and you provide the life insurance company with a copy of the death certificate and a beneficiary application to receive the benefits. But instead of receiving a check, you receive a notice from the insurance company that there's been a problem. Well, how could that happen? What are the common scenarios that I see? I'll go through those in this video. First, in a lot of the cases I handle, somebody else is claiming the money. Somebody else is claiming to the insurance company, don't pay you, the designated beneficiary, for some reason. Potentially they claim that you're disqualified due to a divorce, or that the insured tried to make a designation change that wasn't processed, or that a designation in your favor is invalid for some reason, possibly an allegation of forgery or undue influence or a lack of capacity. Those are common objections that are often asserted. Or the insurance company could say, our records show the policy's lapsed. And most likely because the insured simply didn't make the premium payments or was sent a letter saying you have a grace period and didn't follow up with the payments, allegedly. 3, the 2-year contestability period. Typically for most policies, the law provides that the insurance company has 2 years to contest an alleged misrepresentation on the application. So someone buys life insurance, they pass away within 2 years, and the insurance company will often launch an investigation to determine if the answers that the insured gave on the application, typically regarding medical history, the insurance company will investigate to determine whether those questions were accurate. And that's a common scenario. 4, a cause of death exclusion. Now, typically in a life insurance policy, the cause of death really is not important, except in one situation, and that's when there's a suicide or some evidence of a suicide. Most life insurance policies, particularly in Texas, will provide that there will not be a payout if the insured commits suicide within 2 years of obtaining the life insurance policy. And then number 5, a beneficiary designation problem, and this is somewhat related to the first point, but the insurance company may say, hey, the designation's unclear. We accepted the designation change, but now that we look at it, the percentages aren't right, or the form was filled out wrong, or there's something that's giving them some hesitation. Those are the 5 common scenarios in which I see where people will call me and say, hey, the insurance company is not paying me. They're either denying the claim or they're telling me there's a holdup and there's an investigation and potentially the case will go to an interpleader. If you get any wind at all, any indication from the life insurance company that there's such a holdup, give me a call.